5 branches in Southeast Asia: Myanmar, Philippines, Indonesia, Laos, Cambodia. Leading the market on RO filter in Vietnam. 3 factories. 5 production lines. 2 R&D centers. Kangaroo, a science and technology company in Vietnam, is the #1 appliance brand in developing and manufacturing wholesome and healthful home appliances. Leading in production capability as well as output, including water purifier, electrical appliances, and refrigeration. Having focused on the research and manufacture of products that serve important needs, from water, air, and bacteria purification to IoT, Kangaroo now has more than 700 solutions to improving health and life quality. Kangaroo has 3 factories in Vietnam and Myanmar, with a total area of 100,000 square meters, along with 6 technologically advanced production lines and a research center with top experts and engineers in the region. The company aims to become a leading OEM that can adapt to the specific needs of each country for healthful appliances. With its closed operation from market research, technology development, design and manufacture to tight factory control, Kangaroo manages to satisfy high standards in many countries in terms of both quality and design. Kangaroo has had years of manufacturing experience and implements a strict production process to the ISO 9001:2015 standard. Our factories can meet the high demands for quality, quantity, design, and time. Products whose technology we have successfully patented have attracted attention globally, some of which include hydrogen water purifier, antibacterial soft freezing refrigerator, antibacterial water heater, antibacterial solar water heater, far infrared water heater. With leading technological and production capability, Kangaroo is committed to innovative development, remaining ahead, and creating new needs within society. With this strategic direction, Kangaroo has become winner of the Asian Business Award. Vietnam Fast 500 Company. Top 500 companies in Vietnam. Top 100 most sustainable businesses.
Welcome to Kangaroo. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for your interest with our Kangaroo product. As you might know, Kangaroo is #1 company in Vietnam in terms of the home appliance product. Kangaroo has its own technology in research and development, high-tech manufacturing system, and fully automated processes in manufacturing. Kangaroo can produce a lot of the product. Most famous one is the water purifier product. Kangaroo can serve you well in any case of the demand from the customer, and we do hope that we can serve any kind of the demand from you. We can serve you anywhere, anytime, whatever you want, whenever you need. Kangaroo is the biggest OEM manufacturer in Vietnam and Southeast Asia also. Believe that the Kangaroo is the most believable partner that can help you to make the world success. Thank you.